keep it clean with the original BMW accessories all-weather floor mat and the reversible trunk mat. The all-weather floor mat protects the carpet and keeps it tidy. Simply switch the existing floor mat with the all-weather floor mat. Make sure not to block the pedals. The all-weather floor mat is waterproof and durable, so you can enter your BMW as you are anytime. Another clean solution, the reversible trunk mat provides your trunk with the same safety, but double-sided. Its carpet side is made of 100% recycled material with a grippy surface to hold items in place. Thanks to the flexible fastening elements, you can quickly fasten items of all sizes and shapes in the trunk, or simply turn the trunk mat around. The sturdy, waterproof surface is perfect for damp or dirty items. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.